Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. So today I'm back with my workout routine. As you probably know, I'm not the biggest fan of working out, so this isn't like the longest workout routine or the most extravagant workout routine. I just do bits and bobs. I'm lucky enough to have like a pretty fast metabolism, so I don't have to work out too much. Obviously working out isn't just about being like looking good, it's about being like healthy on the inside, so I do try to do like a little bit here and there. I try to run up the stairs when I can, you know. It all counts. So yeah, I mainly do like bum workouts and leg workouts and like ab workouts. I don't do anything to my arms or my back or anything like that because honestly my arms are so small it'd just be pointless. Nothing's gonna happen there. They're just like sticks attached to a human, so I'm basically a snowman. There's no point, nothing had happened. So I'm really excited because I actually have a giveaway in this video because I always watch workout routines and I always use these resistance band thingies. I will link where I got mine from below. They are literally like the coolest thing ever. They just look like this. I'm sure you've seen what a resistance band is. Like, it's just like a rubber thing that's like, it's basically the equivalent to weights in a way. So this is like the extra heavy band that I use, and I can't stretch it out with my arms. And then you've got like the extra light band, which is obviously like the equivalent to like a lighter weight, and I can stretch that out easier. I always use the extra heavy one because if you're trying to build muscle and stuff like that, you want to do like less reps with a heavier weight, and that's what builds the muscle. So I use these instead of going to the gym and paying loads of money. And also I have really bad knees, so I can't do squats, so none of these involve squats. So these are from the brand Limb. They are really affordable. It literally, you buy these and you don't have to buy like an ongoing gym membership because you can just work out at home. They're literally tiny. They all fit into this tiny bag, like every single one of the different weights fit into this tiny little bag, so you can take it on holiday with you, you can travel with it. It's just like so convenient and really easy. So I'm actually lucky enough to be sponsored by the company that makes these, and they've actually given me 5 sets of resistance band to give away to 5 of you guys. So if you guys want to do this, then you can win some of these. 5 of you can win the full sets. You have like extra light, medium, heavy and extra heavy. So you can build yourself up, or you can just go straight into the deep end and start with extra heavy like I did. But 5 of you guys will be able to win these, and I'll tell you more about that towards the end. For now, I'm going to get straight into the workout routine so you guys can see what I do. It's not really long. It takes me probably 15 to 20 minutes, and I do it every other day. So I do like legs and bum one day, abs the next day, legs and bum, abs, legs, you get it? So I don't work out like both parts of my body on the same day because I usually am a little bit sore after I've done this. But yeah, let's just get into the workout routine. So using the extra heavy resistance band, I start by doing these like leg openers. I don't know what they're called. I don't have a personal trainer and I'm not like a fitness guru. I know nothing about fitness really. I just know what works for me. But you guys can see what I'm doing. I do 3 sets of 20 for these for each leg. So I do 20 on my left leg, 20 on my right leg, and then repeat that 3 times. So I do 60 per leg in total. As slow as you can do this, like the slower the better, basically. That's pretty much the same with every workout other than like running and stuff like that, because you're using more muscle, like there's more resistance if you go slowly. I know sometimes it can be a little bit hard, especially towards the end of a workout, but it's definitely worth it trying to go slowly. If you need to hold on to like a wall or a radiator, something like that, that is completely fine. I have pretty good balance most of the time, so I'm able to do it just standing up. But these are really difficult, especially when you get to the last set. It's so hard, especially with the resistance band. Like I said, I use the extra heavy one. The next thing I do is kind of like the fire hydrant move, but it's a little bit different. So I kick back and then kind of rotate my leg and bring it around, so it kind of goes in like a 90-degree angle, I guess you could say. So I kick back, bring it around to the right, and then put it down again. And I don't let my knee kind of stop. I don't let my legs stop the movement. I never rest it. I always keep it in the air, which kind of keeps more resistance, and it's just a little bit more work. So that is pretty much what I do for that. I do 2 sets of 35 per leg for this. So I do 70 in total per leg. So 70 left and 70 right. And this is really difficult, but this is the one that I think you'll notice a lot of like change to your body with. The first one that I just showed you will add kind of more to your hip area, and this will kind of grow the whole of like your ass. So that's what I do for this one. These are really difficult, especially with the rotating. It just gets really tiring. And then the last thing I do are kind of like these crab walks. So I squat down and then I just open my legs and move across, kind of like walk like a crab. And then I do that forwards and backwards kind of as many times as I possibly can before I fall down. So yeah. Now for the abs, this is literally a killer. All you do is lay on your back and then lift your feet up and down. Again, I do this as many times as I possibly can without like collapsing, but the straighter you can make your legs, the better, but this honestly kills. So I just do this until I physically can't do it anymore and I feel like I'm gonna pass out. And then the next move I do is like bicycle kicks. This is like crunches with your legs, like your elbow meets your knee kind of. So again, I just do that until I'm going to pass out. I don't do a certain amount of reps. I just push myself as far as I possibly can to do as many as I can. Sometimes I do like 100, sometimes I do 150, whatever my body feels like that day. Sometimes I'm more tired than others, so I can't push myself as much. But that is all the exercise I do. It's really, really simple. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Like I said, I am not a fitness trainer. I don't have a personal trainer, so I might be doing some of these things slightly wrong. I'm not telling you guys to copy exactly what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I do and things that work for me. I've definitely seen a lot of people raving about these. I know that they make a difference. I am so excited to keep using these and kind of seeing more progress than I would without them. These make your workouts literally 10 times harder, but it's so... I can't think. These make your workout 10 times harder, but you see so many more results for using them. I've literally tried to say that sentence about 50 times and I finally managed it. But yeah, these are definitely worth it. If you want to get yourself some, I really, 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 really recommend it if you want to see like progress faster, because I'm really impatient. Honestly, the second I work out, I look in the mirror like, oh, have I got abs now? Like, has things changed? Doesn't work like that, but this definitely speeds up the process. If you'd like to buy them, then just click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to it. I've got a link for the US and a link for the UK because I have 2 different shops and I got them from Amazon, so yeah. So if you would like to win these resistance bands, then all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment down below with your Instagram username telling me why you would like to win these. Obviously there'll be 5 winners, so I'll pick them randomly. I will put in the description like full details on how to enter. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the entire video. Good luck. Definitely go purchase these because they're literally amazing. And I'll see you super soon with a new video. Bye!